My name is Joseph Valenzuela, and I'm one of the founders of Pathfinder Optics. I've been in the drone industry for about 8 years, and today we're here to inspect some wind turbines. Today we're here with the Elios 3 to inspect blades internally, and we're roughly 320 feet up in the sky, and we utilize the drone to inspect thoroughly inside all the fiberglass. So when we use the Elios 3 inside the blades, we're looking for any cracks, deformations, any fiberglass hanging, any light coming through, penetrating through the fiberglass. We're able to see it, notify it, and we're able to measure it using the LiDAR. If the Elios doesn't go inside, or if an inspection isn't done, the damage can be done to the motor, the blade, and it can cost anywhere from a couple $100,000 to upwards to $1 million. The blade might have to come completely off of the turbine, which we're not just evaluating the damage, we're also evaluating the downtime, the amount of manpower has to come out, and then as well as the cranes and things like that have to be put up. The benefits of using the Elios 3 compared to either having a human or a RC car going inside of the blade is safety. The biggest thing is safety there, but then efficiency. Having a wind turbine down is very important for these owners. Currently, they're only able to get 1 turbine completed in a day. So far, we've been able to complete 3 to 4 turbines in one day utilizing the Elios 3.